What kinds of things do you do on a daily basis? Watch videos? Rant about something you hate? View memes and funny photos? Share your opinion on the terrible movie you just watched? Take selfies? Grow a beard? Draw things? Share news with friends on Facebook? Give your opinion on things? Maybe even sing when no one's around. These are just some of the things that you probably do on a daily basis for free. What if you could get paid to do all of these things? Introducing TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a reward site that pays you with real cash, unlike other sites which are hard to use and only pay in gift cards. After all, you're here to make some real cash, not gift cards. TimeBucks is simple, organized, and easy to use, which saves you time. And more time equals more bucks. You could probably use some extra cash, right? Maybe you're a teenager or a stay-at-home mom, or maybe you're just struggling to pay the bills each month, like so many people in the world. With TimeBucks, you can sign up for free and start earning cash instantly. Forget raking the leaves on Mrs. Jones' lawn in the blazing sun. Just sign up on TimeBucks and start earning from the comfort of your own home. TimeBucks pays out earnings weekly through PayPal as soon as you've reached the low minimum payout amount of just $10. With our daily earnings ladder, you can earn even more because the top 3 earners each day score a cash bonus. Stop losing money when you can get paid to enjoy life too. No more climbing into hot attics or under houses to do odd jobs for your neighbors. Why go through all that suffering to make a few bucks when you could be making it right from your couch? Get caught up on your bills. Earn extra cash for your summer vacation. Have extra pocket money on the weekends. Make the most of your downtime by turning it into income. Make living life better by getting paid for it too. Sign up today with TimeBucks. Your first payout is waiting.